Hi, my name is Raphael Uziel, and this is the website I built for Project Zero of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. I'm not particularly creative, so it basically just includes some of my interests along with some of the work that I've been doing in coding this past year. This is the GitHub for the website, and there's the README. This is what the website looks like deployed on GitHub pages. I'm using a Bootstrap collapsible navbar here. So when the viewport gets small enough, there's the Bootstrap collapsible navbar popping up. Okay, and on my teaching page, I am a physics teacher in high school. Um, I've included images with links. These are animations that I used to write for my physics classes. The images have a CSS selector that on hover causes the border to change. I also used SAS inheritance here to style these images along with the ones in my coding page, which just includes some of the work that I've been doing in coding this past year. Um, I also used a Bootstrap grid system here where the images, which are links, take 8 columns. The little description takes 4 for large viewports, but when the viewport it gets small enough, then the images as well as the descriptions take the full viewport width. And that's in the coding page. Movies page is just a list of some movies that I enjoy from different genres and decades. And here is my table, which I used a media query in order to prevent it from actually shrinking when the viewport gets small. I felt the table would look really, really bad if it's shrunken too much. So it's worth, in this case, I think, having to scroll to see the full table. Um, on my music page, which again is just my interest in my favorite songs. I use SAS variables for the colors. I also used nesting so that each level of the list has a different color. Um, and finally, on my running page, that's just an interest that I have, and I put in some iframes that I copied and pasted from Strava, which is a website that tracks my progress. Thank you very much for watching.